Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you saw from the title of this video, this is a Coachella inspired makeup tutorial. Oh my god, Coachella! Oh my god, day one of Coachella! Specifically, I got this idea from one of my favorite YouTubers, James Charles. On day one of Coachella, he did a really awesome rainbow eyeshadow look, and I've been wanting to try something like this for a very long time, and I finally got enough eyeshadow colors to do it, so I wanted to give it a try for you guys. In the spirit of Coachella, I've already got a kind of my most Coachella outfit on. I've got a little black crop top. I've got a ton of body glitter on. I don't know that you can see it or not, but of course the space buns, because this is the look I'm going to recreate for you today. Before you guys leave today, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family, anybody who might enjoy a really fun and colorful makeup look like this. But without further ado, I will go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have you in super close here so we can focus on the eyes most of this video, and excuse my mirror, this is just where I have to put it so that I can see well. I've already done all of my base makeup, my primer, concealer, and foundation, and I did my eyebrows already, and I put concealer all over my eyelid as a eyelid primer for the eyeshadow that I'm gonna do, and then I'll do the rest of the face after we complete the eye look. For today's rainbow look, I'm using this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette that I just bought. I don't have enough eyeshadow brushes for all of these colors, but I'm going to do my best to just use a couple, and I'm pretty much just going to be using these Real Techniques brushes for the entire eye look. I'm going to start with this red here in the corner and dab into that a little bit. And going into, ooh, that is nice and bright, into the corner of this eye. And I'm going in with a very light hand with this color, kind of blending it out nicely into this corner of my eye to get this as colorful as possible. So I'm going to make this extremely dark. Now I'm going to go into this darker orange here and start working inwards. I'm going to be taking this bright yellow here and work that into the inner corner of my eye. And that's not really showing up very much at all. Just to see if I can get this to go a little bit brighter, I'm going to use my finger to dip into it a little bit. There we go. Now we got a little more color on there. Go back in with that orange a little bit and just soften up the lines between the two colors. And I'm also going to dip back into that first dark red and just really try to deepen up the outer corner as much as possible. I'm also going to do the same color pattern underneath my eye as well. And now, starting on the other eye, I'm going to go in here with this dark purple, and just like with the red on the other eye, I'm just going to work that into this outer corner. And now I'm going to go in with this blue shade here. See how patchy these colors are? Some of the colors in this palette are great, and some of them are a little tough to work with, but I'm gonna make it happen. Now I'm gonna go into this green here on this corner and work it into the inner corner like we did the yellow. Going back and just touching up the blue a little bit, blending it with the green. And I'm going to touch up that purple just a touch as well to deepen up the corner. Going underneath the eye with the same color pattern. Now I'm just going to take a shimmery white shadow and highlight the inner corners of my eye to really make that pop. I'm doing my usual winged cat eye. I'm going to go a little more dramatic. I'm gonna line my waterline. If I had them, I would put on some really thick, dramatic eyelashes, but I don't have any. I'm in with my Better Than Sex mascara in waterproof, and I'm gonna do a couple of layers. Now that the eyes are complete, we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. And we definitely want to be very bronzed and very glowy. Oh, there's the dog. Don't look at the zit on my face. We'll all pretend that it's not there. Taking my usual Hoola bronzer and a big fluffy brush, I'm going to bronze up my whole face. To highlight, and I'm going to use a little bit of Fit Me blush to give the face some color. I'm using some NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick, and this is kind of a camel nude color. And before I set anything, I am taking a little bit of body glitter and I'm going to put it all over my face. I definitely need to brush away some excess. Now I'm going to set all of that with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, and that's it for today's Coachella inspired makeup tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below on maybe your favorite makeup look or your favorite outfit that you've seen so far at Coachella this year from some of your favorite celebrities. I would love to go check them out. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!